In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get organized using Dollar Tree organization. Dollar Tree recently came out with a whole new line of kitchen organization. I'm hoping that you're able to find it when you go shop at your store, but in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can use it around your house. When I walked by these at Dollar Tree over on their kitchen aisle, I could not believe that they had these there. These jars are so similar to the ones that I've been buying at Walmart for years now. The ones at Walmart are by the brand Anchor Hocking. Now these you can get a little bit cheaper buying them at Dollar Tree. I also feel like they have like a really good airtight rubber seal on these. So I thought these would be perfect to use in my pantry, but you could also use these in your bathroom or anywhere around your house. I've done so many different hacks with these jars over the years. I will show you some of my favorite right now. If you love putting out Easter candy every year, I have a fun hack you can try. I love picking up these $10 containers at Walmart. They're a perfect size and they're really affordable. You also need an affordable tumbler. This is a new set out at Walmart, so I'm gonna get one of the larger ones. I also grabbed some robin's eggs and Peeps. I wanna put everything together now, so I'm gonna take the tumbler we bought and put it into my glass container. The hack here is it's just gonna help fill up the space so you don't have to buy as much candy. Next, I'm gonna place all of my robin's eggs around the bottom edge. Now, when you do this, hold onto your cup. So I put in 3 bags of the robin's eggs. Now I'm going to add some yellow Peeps around the edges. These are really affordable and they look adorable in your container. To fill in the top, I'm gonna add a little bit more robin's eggs. If you guys want to replicate this look for Easter, remember I bought the medium-sized jar at Walmart. You're gonna need 4 bags of robin's eggs and 2 bags of Peeps. But today what I'm gonna do is add some flour and sugar to these jars. When I was recently thrifting, I bought these 2 little teacups and I thought they would be really cute because these are gonna be sitting out in my pantry to use as little scoops in these containers. So right now, I'm just gonna set them in about halfway down and then I'll put on the lids. These are gonna look adorable in my pantry, and when I need to get them out and use them, I'll just use the teacups as my scoop. I used to take so many supplements in the morning, and honestly, it was a lot, and I really wanted to simplify my routine. I found one product that I've implemented into my morning routine, and I love it because it's formulated for what I need at this stage of my life. It's called Biologica, and it helps me feel my best every morning. It's so easy to use, I wanted to share it with you. First, it comes in this gorgeous packaging, and inside they have these little sachets. I started taking it because it's so easy to take these little packets with you on the go. I take the Midlife Essentials, which is formulated for women ages 40 to 55. It supports my sleep, mood, mental clarity, and energy. Biologica is formulated specifically for women to fill in those nutritional gaps that we need. It's also exclusively created for women's biology by a team of female doctors and medical experts. Now, my favorite flavor is the cranberry lemonade. It tastes really good. You could add this to water anytime throughout the day, but I like to drink it in the morning. You want to add in about 8 ounces of water. Then you're just gonna stir it up. Now, if it's easier, you could also add it to your water bottle in the morning. It's delicious and free from artificial sugars and colors. Now, Biologica makes 3 formulas. I take the Midlife Essentials, but they also have a Primary Essentials and a Post-Menopause Essentials. Each formula includes trademark, clinically studied ingredients at doses used in research. This has replaced my morning supplement routine, and it just makes my life a little bit easier, and I feel my best throughout the day. Thanks to Biologica for sponsoring this video. You can save up to 32% off per month when you subscribe by visiting the link down below in the description box to get started. Plus, I'll put the QR code right here if you want to scan that, and it will take you directly to that link. And if you're not sure which formula is right for you, make sure you take Biologica's Hormonal Life Stage Quiz to find out which formula is right for you. I would say this organizer is probably the one I use the most around my house. This is an acrylic drawer, and I love that you can stack these on top of each other. But I did want to show you a way you could use this in your office. So over here in my office, I have this this butcher block right here. I have cabinets on either side, but I really don't have any organization. So I thought, what if I use some command strips to place this underneath my desk? So that's what we're gonna do. I buy my command strips in these larger packs like this. So I'm gonna use a couple on the top here, and then I'll place it under my desk. I'm not gonna use this to hold super heavy items, but smaller things like my chapstick, my AirPods, things I reach for frequently are perfect to put in here. Now I use several things over here at my desk from Dollar Tree. This little cup right here is great for holding pens. This actually was a ceramic container they had over in the bathroom section at Dollar Tree, and it's perfect for my pens. Now I also love this over here. This was a DIY I did with these wood slices. I stained them. I also got some Dollar Tree clips and I painted those and put those on with some hot glue. I love being able to see some of my favorite pictures, and I can change them out over here. But pretty much everything I have over here in my office on my shelf is either something I've DIY'd, thrifted, or picked up at Dollar Tree. I'm so excited about the new pantry containers that Dollar Tree is carrying. This larger container is $5. It's got the fluted finish on this, so you could put this in your kitchen or your bathroom. I also love how it matches this container so well. This is one they've had out now for years, but I'm gonna try to put these two in a grouping. Since they do have different lids, I wanna try to make them match a little bit better. So to do that, I want to paint these, and I'm gonna add knobs. Now you can find knobs at any store. These are actually from Walmart. They're wood knobs. The first thing I'm gonna do is attach these knobs. So I'm gonna add a little bit of E6000 and hot glue to the bottom of my knobs, and I'll place them in the center of my lids. Now, if you had time to let these sit overnight, you probably wouldn't want to add on the hot glue, but I want to go ahead and paint these, so I'm gonna add both. Next, I'm going to add on Rub and Buff. I love using Rub and Buff to give me that gold antique finish. You can buy it off of Amazon. I'll put the QR code right here if you're wanting to purchase my Rub and Buff. It comes in a pack of 5, and the two colors that I'm gonna be using are the antique gold and the gold leaf. I find that when you use two colors at once, it gives more of that antique look, and then I just apply them with my foam brush. So we're gonna place these shower containers in my bathroom, and we'll just place them here. I'm gonna add in some shower steamers and bath salts. Now, if you're gonna be traveling anytime soon and you're wondering what you could put your hair tools in, let me show you this item I just bought. What I love about this is you can fit your curling irons, your brushes, any of your hair tools in there that you want. And then when you get to your destination, it folds open and it acts as a protective barrier for your heat tools. So you can just set it on there, use your heat tools, wrap them up, and put them back into this container. This is perfect for any travel you have coming up. I had to show you guys my outfit of the day. This is a super comfy set that really looks put together. I love that it's lightweight, so it's great this time of year, but you have this great stripe detail on the top. You also have pockets here. Now you could wear it out like this, or if you wanted to, you could flip it up. It's going to also come with your matching shorts. These shorts have pockets as well. Now you may come across one of these gorgeous containers over in the plus section at Dollar Tree and think, okay, what should I do with this? These would make great utensil containers. This is over here by my stove. I always keep a grouping out here, but I also like to put some utensils. So I'm gonna add this to this grouping and show you how I'd place in my wood utensils. I had to show you guys these pantry organizers that I've been using for a couple of years now. I love that they're clear acrylic. I love that they have the dividers in them, and I use them on my pantry shelf to put all of my snacks. Now these are from Amazon, so I will link them down below for you if you're interested in them. I would say the absolute best organizer that they've come out with this year is this Snackle box. Now, I found it at the beginning of the year. It's been a little hard to find. My store has it again. So if you haven't seen it yet, keep looking. They're usually around $6. They come in a few colors. You can get them in ivory. There's also a khaki color and a green color. There may be more colors. Let me know if you've seen any other colors down in the comments, but those are the ones I've seen so far. The first time I got it, I showed you guys how you could put this together with just different snacks that you have around your house. Let me show you a few other options. So since I've bought this, my girls have really liked packing their lunches in here. So let's put together a healthy lunch in this Snackle box. My daughter Caroline has been liking taking these on her tournament day. Let me show you how I would fill this up for her tournament lunch. Now I will say the dividers don't come up all the way to the top. So you're gonna have to keep it pretty level with this one because you can see here the pretzel's already moved over to here. So just keep it level if you wanna use this one. Now if you're looking for another option, I do have other Snackle boxes that I've bought before off of Amazon. I will link them for you down below if you're looking for one that goes all the way up to the top. Now, what else could you do with this? You don't have to put food in here. I like keeping things like my purse essentials in here. These are easy things that I can grab and go and take with me. These are also great to store in your car with those items that you grab for and need all the time. I'm definitely going to add in the Dollar Tree hand sanitizers. I always try to have a few of these on hand. I also love these little Vaseline chapsticks that they have at Dollar Tree. These are great to just keep in your purse. These BioPure sheets are one of my favorite things that you can get at Dollar Tree. They're little hand soap sheets. They're perfect for putting in your purse or on your bag if you're anywhere where you have to wash your hands and they don't have any soap. I always have some Kleenex from Dollar Tree, and these deodorant wipes are from Amazon. I love having these in my gym bag or purse just to always have on hand. Now, anytime I pull out one of these Tic Tac containers, people always ask me where I get them from. I buy them in a large pack off of Amazon, and they're the perfect size. They don't take up too much room in your purse. If you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Answer the question of the day down in the comments. What room in your house do you need to get organized? One way that I like to save money is to make my own refrigerated snacks. I find that those Sargento packs that I love for like the cheese and they have little snacks in them, they can be really expensive at the store. So I found if I put together my own, it's a lot less expensive. So there's two different containers that I love. I have these clear containers. You can buy them in a large pack and fill them up with your pre-portioned snacks. I mean, really you could put anything in here. And then I just keep these in my fridge and anytime we need a snack, they're ready to go. I also found some larger containers. These are great if you want to do something like yogurt or even do a breakfast option. Now, if you saw this drink container when you were shopping at Dollar Tree like I was, and you're excited to try it out for your next party, let me show you an idea of how you could use this. I'm gonna be putting together a lemonade bar. Now, this container, after you clean it out, to put in the little nozzle, you're going to put that in the front part, and then it also comes with this plastic piece that you can screw it into place. Now you could set your lemonade bar up on your countertop. I think if you have something to kind of corral everything together, it looks a little bit better. This is a tray that I recently got off of Amazon. If you're looking for it, I will put the QR code right here. You can scan that QR code. It will take you to this tray, or I'll also link it down in the description box. Really anything you see in the video, I will link down in the description box. But I'm gonna set this tray on the edge of my counter here. Next, I want to add on my drink container. So I wanna figure out where to put my drink container first, but I do want to elevate this. Now you could put anything underneath this. I think a planter is a great option. So this is a terracotta planter I have. You could use any planter from Dollar Tree, and I'll set that down, and then I'm gonna place my container on top. Now, if you were worried about it moving around, you could glue it, but then it's harder to wash and reuse. The last time I was shopping at Dollar Tree, I also came across these little cute lemon mason jars. I love that they have the lemons on the front and the lids are so cute. This is what I'm gonna use as my drinking glasses. Now you could mix up your own lemonade. I bought some ready-made lemonade that I'm gonna add to my jar. Now I'm going to add in these lemons. You could set these out so people could put them in their drinks, but I think they look pretty in the jar. Now I feel like adding these syrups just makes it really fun. You can buy these on Amazon. I will link to the ones that I ordered online. I got the strawberry and the raspberry. So I'm gonna put strawberries and raspberries in these little Dollar Tree containers that you can use as toppings for your fruit. Okay, I just rinsed off the raspberries and I'll add those into one of my jars. Next, I'm gonna cut up the strawberries and add those to this jar. Let's add this little acrylic sign. You could pick these up at Dollar Tree. Now you have to pull off the little paper that's on there on these signs. You can get this in the crafter square. So I'm just gonna write lemonade bar on this sign. Now I'll just add in my acrylic sign. Overall, this drink dispenser, I like that it doesn't leak. Like, I've had liquid in here, it's not leaking. I will say when I was trying to use the dispenser, it didn't come out very quickly, so it took a little bit longer to fill up my cup. So just keep that in mind if you decide to pick it up. Now, if you're looking for the best closet organizer for your jewelry, I have something that I have 3 of in my house. I have one in my room. I also have it in both of my girls' rooms. They are over the door jewelry boxes. So I love that they have the mirror on the front, and then they also hang on the back of your door. You can screw it into the wall, but I find that it's easier just to hang mine on the back of the door. When you open it up, it has so much jewelry organization in there. I mean, you can fit everything from your rings, your earrings, your necklaces, bracelets, anything you have fits great in here. And especially if you don't have a lot of room in your closet or bedroom for organization, this will fit so nicely on your door. Let me show you how you can customize one of these Dollar Tree supplement containers. Now, these are organized with the days of the week, but maybe you want to organize them with the specific item that you're putting in there. So what you want to do is first remove these date labels. To remove these labels, you're going to use 100% acetone. You can get this at Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to put it on a cotton pad and I'll lightly remove these days of the week. Next, you can put in anything in here that you personally take and add on your own labels. Now, what label maker are we gonna use? This is the label maker that I bought around the holidays. I absolutely loved it. You guys saw me show this several times. I added fun like gift wrapping labels to this, but it's a label maker that you can use any time of year. So let me show you how I'm gonna make these labels. I'll print out the labels that I wanna put on the outside of this container. My labels are 50 by 30 millimeters, and I'm just gonna go into the app. I'm gonna do about 3 per label because I want to cut them down because a full-size label is not gonna fit on these. I'll just print out all those labels. Now that I have them printed out, I'm gonna cut them down to size and place them on my container. Next, I'm just gonna fill it up. If you or your kiddos have a lot of claw clips, this may be the thing you need to organize them. I call it the claw clip carousel. It's really fun. It's clear acrylic. It turns around and you can add your claw clips to it. I will link it for you down below. Or if you're looking for it, I'll put the QR code right here. You can scan it. It will take you directly to that claw clip organizer. Did you know that you can use these soda can organizers from Dollar Tree as shoe organizers? These work great to put your shoes in. Let me show you how I do it. Let me know down in the comments what you'll be picking up the next time you shop at Dollar Tree. I love knowing your opinion, and make sure you subscribe because I want to see you back here, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.